looking at this Yamaha XSR125. Oh, marvellous bike. But then I noticed this. Look at this. Yeah, Yamaha FSiE 50cc moped. Bet there's some memories been poked here. I mean, I never actually had one of these. I had an AP50. I was Suzuki all the way, but my mates were Yamaha, and we always raced each other. Look at that, pedals on. You could pedal it to get it going if it wouldn't start. Yeah, marvellous. But look at the condition of it. It's immaculate. They reckon these could do 45 miles an hour, but we had them going much quicker than that. A little bit of work, and then you look at the tyres. We must have been mental. Look at it. And drum brakes, chrome. Look at that chrome for its age, just incredible. Tiny little engine, so immaculate. I can hardly believe it. Little kickstart there, yeah. Look at that. Drum brake on the back, that little exhaust, and what a sound that makes. That brings back memories. It really does. Massive indicators, almost the same size as the headlamp. But look at the length of it. We used to sit on the back seat, get prone, get laid flat out, get the most out of it, especially downhill. Yeah, used to shake and rattle. Of course, this is a 77. Crikey, that's what, 45 years old. Ha! Incredible. Gaiters on, don't know if they're standard. No Mickey Mouse mirrors. Of course, it would have mirrors ordinarily, but look at that. When I look at it now, it looks like a toy. But I promise you, at 16, I was 6'2", as I am now, and I used to fit on stuff like this. Not on the FSiE. I did go on my mate's FSiEs. I preferred the AP though, I've got to be honest. But these were probably far more popular. But I mean, just look at it. No proper frame on it. Frame pressed steel. And I can't remember what we used to do to them, but we used to do an awful lot. And it is easy to get them up to 60, 70 miles an hour. It wasn't hard. No. Could you imagine doing that now? You'd get shot. Rozzers would be after you. Everything. But what a marvellous bike. Absolutely incredible. What would you give to have one of those now? You see them come up for sale every now and then, sort of between £5,000–10,000, maybe even more for a low mileage. This little baby's done 26,000 miles, but it looks brand new, and I bet it runs like a dream, because they will. Dead easy to fix. There'll be a gazillion parts for them, I should imagine, still. But there you go. Yamaha, what was it, F1SC or something like that, 49cc. Do you want to know how many brake horsepower? Yeah, an eye-watering 4.8. Yeah, marvellous.